Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to log into our Talkatone using the free proxy. I talk about the app that gave the free proxy. So I'm going to be using my Talkatone from here. So first of all, let me log out the previous account that is there, then clear that all. Then alright, so we are also going to be using our turn to tap to sign in. But remember, we are going to test the app that gave the free proxy. So this is the app right here. This socks proxy. If you just go, it's available in Play Store. If you come to your Play Store, if you come to your Play Store and search socks proxy, this one right here. So I just going to open it. There will be a lot of advertisement due to cause it's free. So I'm just going to mute the ads and let's focus on the video. Let me see. Alright, as you can see here, you click on United States. Here is United States, but sometimes it shifts due to their update and locations. So it's just, you just locate United States and click on it. Alright, it's already moved. So you allow it to do it loading, and you check for the ones that say it's active. That's the one that's are marked here. You can see a lot are marked, while some are offline. So you just click on full, and here you can see unlock for 10 coins. Since we don't have any coin, we are going to wait for the ads. The one we watch ad and open it up. Why is this taking time? Alright, so the ad is started working there. Alright, so you click on watch one ad to unlock. So you click on it, tap on it, and the ad will appear here. Device is off. So you just have to be patient and watch the ads. So these the ads. Alright, so as you can see, it's already open for us. So we just copy the IP and port first and head over to our turn to tap. So we paste it here. So if you can see in the proxy, there is username and password. So you copy the username and you come to this authentication setting and you put the username. For the password, let's go and copy the password as well. Copy. Yep. Copy. Yeah. Paste. Let's see. Alright. So if it's your first time, you have to enable this authentication setting like this. You have to enable it. So let's connect and check the IP. Alright, I don't think this is not active, so we have to check for another one again. So let's go with let's also click on watch ad. It's taking about 1 minute ads, so I'll just pause the video and let the ads to finish loading, then I play it. Alright, so the port is open now. So we did same thing, we copy and paste. Also copy the username paste. Let's go for password, copy, paste, connect. Let's
stand a chance to win a grand prize of
Alright, so United States. So let's try it now, and let's open our Talkatone. Sign in. Let's go with let me get the email to sign in. Alright, so this we are going to be using. Continue. So wait for, let's check the code. Let's refresh. Alright, this is the code. 2909 2909. So I think my network is shaking, that's why it's having those error. Let's keep trying. Let's try it. Alright, 8161. So 8161. And yeah, as you can see, I'm in. So as you can see, the IP works. The IP works. Here is it. So I'm able to sign in using the free proxy from the site, from the application, which is Socks Proxy, and it works fine. So if you can see from here, this is my IP right here. Where is it? All right, here. Yeah, so you can see it here, and if you come to my alright, so you can see it here. You can see the IP they gave me from the app. Yeah, you can see it 188.245.189, which is same thing as your 180 dot. Sorry, you can see the same thing as, you can see it here 180.275. And so, and to confirm the IP, if I can here and say this is giving me the IP version 4, but let's check our main IP. My IP. What's my IP? So Oops, I just used this site again. I don't know. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, this was the one I was trying to click. So you can see the info right here. You can see the info. So the free IPs work, but you just have to keep selecting. As you can see from the first stage, the IP select was not working. So I had to try again and get another one. So that's how it is. Free things always come with consequences. And the ads is just for 30 seconds. You watch the ad for 30 seconds and yeah, they will give you the proxy. And as you can see, there are a lot of proxy. Again, you can see you just have to watch the ads and you try the connection. And for some, it's not all that has password. The one that does not have password, you know how to enable the authentication that are enabled. So if it has no password, you just continue without enabling the authentication and continue. And also the app will told you that these do not require password and all that. So you just go with it like that. So that's it for this video. And